Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. This is a Mercedes-Benz C Series, C2, C350. It could be C, E, G. The blue motor functioned almost the same. Okay, this is the blue motor. And here we have a ground, the gray, and power. If you turn the AC on, here we have 3 wires only coming to this module, 3 wires. The second one, number 2, here, you see the second one, you see 2, 4, 1, 3, is empty in most of the cars. We need only 3 wires. Also same thing, power ground, and here number 3 is supposed to have a signal from the climate control. It's modulated signal. That means when you turn the key on, the air conditioner request for the blower, a modulated signal will come here, increase or decrease to eliminate, to send signal here. But the ground that is here, as soon as you plug it in, the ground will come from here out here. It will go inside, go through the brush, through the motor where the connection is, and it will come out. If the motor is good, it will come out through here and it will here. So you're gonna see 2 ground. As soon as you command it, this module here will get the ground from this one and it will turn it into power. If this is stop, there is no ground coming back here, this will not activate. So you think that this is bad. You go, you get another one, you put it in. By the time you take it out, maybe you touch it, it will start working. And then you think that, okay, why it doesn't work, and you change it. No. Be sure that when you disconnect this, if something doesn't work, disconnect it and read the continuity between the 2. If there is no continuity here, that means the blower motor is bad. Also, this is for Mercedes-Benz. The part number is here. This is the part number. Most of them, some of them are different. Okay, now look at this. Here, this is another part. This is a part number, dormant part number. If you look inside here, take it out here. And if you look at it, almost the same. Only there is a different way on the bracket. But this is for BMW 5 Series 2013. The function and the system functionality are almost the same. Just to avoid having confused or having problems, when you change this one here, or you change both of them one time, so you don't need to go into why it doesn't work. And also be sure that the power and ground that are coming here are available. On this car, the customer changed this first. He drove out, he stopped again. When we come, we check that everything is working. I don't have the ground circuit, the circuit here. When I arm it, there is nothing. When I hit this one, it start working. That means the motor here is no good. If you are able to take it out, understand? If you're able to release this one, take it out, for example, and take this one out, and you can take the motor and put brushes on it, it will work. And it will work again for a long time, because only could be the brush is finished. Here, the air conditioning inputs. That means when you put the blower motor on, whether it's in heat or cold, there's air that coming here to cool down the motor. And also, this side is inside. So the air that coming inside the car, it pass through here to reduce the heat, because here is a place where there is a resistance power is want to go out, it block the power, it create heat, because you need high speed, low speed. Yeah, so always try to get them together, and also don't forget to put this one for the air not to come out like a sealer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. I will put a link below if you need to buy those products. I believe Amazon have it, and other stuff, other places have it. Till then, see you in another video. Please subscribe, share and like. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Thank you for watching.